Hello guys, welcome back to Epidaga's Dumbbox, and this is Akshay Daga. In this video we will talk about subsetting, but it is subsetting using a partial matching. Okay, so till now we have already seen how to subset matrix, how to subset matrix list, and using different operators like single square bracket, double square bracket, and dollar symbol. Okay, so let's start with subsetting using partial matching. So till now what we have done, we have taken a list, we have extracted the elements from the list using by index or by name. Okay, so like if you are aware like what is the name for the particular element in the list, then it's good. But what if you don't know the exact name? Then you have to take help of partial matching. So I'll explain it. And partial matching can be performed using double square bracket operator and dollar operator, and I'll show you how to perform that. For that, let's take a list X. It will be a list containing numbers from 1 to 5, and I have given a value to that. Like this is not value, label, a name to that, right? So this is the list. If I print X, so these are the values, and this is the name of the element in the list. So what I can do, like exact matching, how it will happen. So if I do X of double square bracket and pass the name Epidaga, then it will give me the output, right? But what if I don't know the exact name for that? Then what I should do? Like see, similarly I can do X of dollar Epidaga. It is giving me correct output. But let's assume I don't know the exact name of this, right? Then what I'll do, I'll try it like X dollar A. Since A matches partially with this, right? It is giving me the same output. Instead of that, if I write X dollar B, it should not give me the output. Why? Because B is not matching even partially to the actual name. Like this is how we can perform partial subsetting, like subsetting using partial matching, right? Now I want to do the same using double square bracket. Let's check whether it is possible or not. See, it is giving me null. Then how to perform that using double square bracket? By default, there is one flag, that is exact flag. It is true by default. If you want to do the perform the partial subsetting by partial matching using double square bracket, then you need to pass one more parameter, that is exact equal to false. And let's check. See, it is giving me the output as expected. If I pass value B, it should not give me any value because B is not matching with B is not even matching partially with this. Let's try to write D here. It is also not giving me any output. Whenever we say partial matching, it will start checking from the beginning. So if I write it like AP, it is working. APD, it is working. If I write DAGA, it is not working. So when we try partial like subsetting using partial matching, make sure whatever value you pass, it should match at the beginning, match with the value, like with the name, exact name, but starting from the very first character, right? So that's it guys. Like this is all about subsetting a list using partial matching. And if you like the explanation, please click on the like button. If you have any kind of doubt, then you can put it in the comment box. I'll try to resolve it as soon as possible. And whatever I have explained it right now, everything will be available in the written format, and link to that will be given in the description. So please do visit there, and you can see my complete series of R programming. It starts with very basic data type and everything. Thank you very much guys. Please subscribe to my channel for encouraging me to get to see more of this content. So thank you very much. This is Akshay Daga signing off.